In this video, we'll be looking at the activity Image Arrange. Let's go see where we can find it. We need to click on the Gallery tab, the Lesson Activity Toolkit, under Activities, and there's Image Arrange. Below are the 6 varied colors of Image Arrange. You can either drag it in or double click and it'll appear on your page. Let's go have a look at the example they've given us. Here they are asking you to reorder the amount starting with the lowest value. So what the students need to do is come up and drag the images into the correct order. You'll notice that the block where you want to replace will go red, and what will happen is it'll shift to the right. In it goes. I'm going to take 2/3 and 5/9 moves to the right. We can move any of the images around. You can even swap next to each other, go the other way. Let's have a look at the front of this activity. On the right, I have my question mark. This explains quickly how to create this easy activity. We then have our check button. If I click that, it tells me that I got them entirely wrong. I can reset and start again, or I can solve and it'll rearrange it into the order for me. Let's click on edit and see how we can change this activity. Very simple activity. The options are the number of images you want to put in, maximum being 15, and the lowest being 1. You have the password option. Again, I wouldn't put the option in. And all we need to do is simply drag our pictures into the correct order. It will rearrange it every time it opens it up, and off we go and we can do the activity. Let's see how we can make a quick image arrange. My advice to you is to go and find the pictures that you're going to use in the image arrange, and it can vary from dates, presidents, formations of structures. I'm going to use the life cycle of the frog here. I've got my pictures already. I'm going to go and enter my activity. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller now so we can see what we're doing. I only need 5 images. I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to choose 5 images. And remember, we need to drag them in the correct order. So I'm dragging it behind, and you see the block turns yellow. That's where I want it to go. If I'd got my images after I'd inserted my activity, the pictures would have been on top. However, I got my images first, so I'm just going to drag it behind, and in it goes. Just going to make it a bit bigger so we can see, and I click OK. And that's the activity done. And there you can see it's been rearranged. So what I will need to do is drag it into the correct order and check. There are a number of images types we can use. So you've already seen us using pictures above. We can use math from the math tools, which they've used. We can use text. So if we have text, the complete date, you just drag that in and it'll put that in as an image. So the students will need to arrange dates. I can use writing from the board, so I can literally create that activity right there and then quickly show them how it's done and see if they can remember it when it reshuffles it. I can also put drawings that I've made in there. This activity normally works best with one child at the board, rearranging it. However, it has been done with a number of students there working together, asking their peers in the class where it goes. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.